This is Unit 16 at the Fieldstone Complex on Annis Road in Hermon. It's a two-story townhouse with a full basement. These units are just a couple of years old at most. This is the kitchen. Pretty nice appliances, lots of cupboard space and counter space. Dishwasher, 5-burner stove, built-in microwave. The kitchen has an ice maker in the freezer. And these units all have the really nice wood laminate floors. And as you come in the door, there's a coat closet. And then you come into the living room, dining area. It's all open. You could have a dining room table here or whatever you wanted to have. And then because it's an end unit, you do have 2 windows. Something that the middle units don't have. The door that goes out to the deck, and you do have a half bath located down here. Tile floor. And then, I'm sorry, it's not really a deck, it's a patio. It's not a wooden deck. A cross-truck patio with a privacy fence. Looks out over the, it's basically country out here. It has a field. And you don't have anybody on the other side. There's another building over there, but because it's an end unit, you don't have somebody right next to you. And then over here you do have a full basement with a washer dryer hookup down here. So lots of good storage down here. It's pretty dry. Here's your dryer vent and washer dryer hookup. That's actually a door to the furnace room. There's your electrical panel, your hot water heater. Pretty good size, pretty efficient. Not likely to run out of hot water soon with that one. And again, pretty clean and dry. And then back upstairs to the living area. There's another look at that nice wood laminate floor. Easy to clean. There's no carpet in the unit except for the stairway going upstairs. That's basically for sound control. And then right up at the very top of the stairs, you have a linen closet. And then in here is the second bedroom, or smaller bedroom, which is still a pretty good size. Definitely take a queen size bed in here. And it does have a closet, which actually goes all the way down to the other wall. So it's a pretty large closet. And then this is the guest bath. This unit does have 2 full bathrooms. Tub and shower, tile floor. And then you go into the master bedroom. This one has its own bathroom again. And this is quite large, made to fit king-size bed plus king-size bedroom set. Has its own temperature control. And it has one huge closet. That's actually one closet with 2 doors. Goes all the way through. And that concludes the video tour of Fieldstone, unit number 16. If you have any questions, give us a call, 974-6606, or see us on the website, rentbangor.com.